Today we have come to the Ribble Railway to come and see some steam trains because Dave loves steam trains and they're having a steam gala this weekend. But I just wanted to show you the awesome murals on the outside of the building. This is furnace number 20, Britain's oldest working steam locomotive. And this is Courageous, which also pulled us along today. It's like being on the Hogwarts Express. This is awesome. There's Dave. And then we got to visit the Furness Railway Shed to have a look at the engines they're working on. And then we headed home and Dave raced the train.